Hello children, welcome to JC Best Schools International Mathematics class for Basic 1. Today we are looking at three-dimensional shapes, a continuation of the first class. Okay? Under three-dimensional shapes, this is lesson 2. We are going to be looking at our specific objectives, which include number 1, at the end of this lesson, I should be able to draw a cone. Number 2, I should be able to draw a sphere. And number 3, I should be able to draw a pyramid. The first one is the cone. I see the cone A, B, and C. The 3 points A, B, and C. To draw a cone, first of all, you put your ruler, draw line AB as shown on this diagram, line A and line B. Okay? Make sure it's a straight line. You draw another line, A and C, just this way. Good. Now, you start from B, you draw an arc, BC, in this form, like this, from B to C. You draw another arc, come back, start from this point, go this way, still to C. Good. We have been able to form a cone. Okay? First, you draw line AB, followed by line AC, and finally arcs BC as shown below, or rather as shown above. I have with me here a little cone constructed. Okay? You look at the cone critically, you understand that the base of the cone is a circle. Okay? It has a circular shape and a curved surface area. This area on the diagram is a curved surface. Okay? It goes round, just like what I have here. Okay? Goes round. Okay? This is an example of a cone. Now let's go to the second one. The second one is a sphere. Can you see the sphere? Good. Examples of spheres are football, basketballs, table tennis balls, lawn tennis balls, etc. Okay? So they are just round. You can see how this sphere is drawn. You draw from this point, start from this point up here, you go this way, just like the first one we drew, where we drew an arc to this point. You go back and start from this point. Okay? You go this way. Right? Go this way, down. You come back to this point, you go this way, from this point, you go this way, round, and in doing that, you have a shape called a sphere. Okay? Good. You have your football at home, can take a look at it. It looks exactly like this shape, or any other ball you have around. Okay? Good. This is a sphere. Half of it is called a hemisphere. If you decide to cut it into two, like this, from this point across like this, you have two halves, and each half is called a hemisphere, right? But the full ball is known as a sphere. Very good. Now, let's go to the third one. The third one is a pyramid. Okay? This is how a pyramid looks like. With me here, I have a replica of what is on the board, or what is on your screen. Okay? Now, look at a pyramid. Can you see this shape? This is a pyramid, right? Now, a pyramid is a shape that has how many faces? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 down here. Okay? This is a pyramid that has the base as a square. The base of the pyramid is the bottom part of it. This is a pyramid that has a base of a square. Now, how do you draw the pyramid? First, draw the base. Draw the base, which is a square, or a rectangle, or even a parallelogram can be used to draw a pyramid. First, draw the base. Let's have the base A, B, C, and D. Base A, B, C, and D. Look at the base. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is what shape? A square. Good. Now, you make a point, just put a point up the shape you have drawn, and make sure it is at the middle of that shape, but upwards. Okay? Now, when you put a point upward here, just make a point here, then you join point A from the square to point O. All right? Join point A to point O. You come back, you join point C to point O. Make sure you use straight lines. Make use of your ruler and your pencil. You join points D and point O. And finally, you join points B and point O. Look at the steps outlined down here. Number 1, draw a square. You have it in mind to draw a pyramid that has a square base. You first draw the square. It may be 2 centimeters in length, it may be 3 centimeters, it may be 4 centimeters, okay? As conveniently as you wish to. Draw a square A, B, C, and D. Make sure all the lines are equal in length. Number 2, mark a point at the top of the square or the rectangle. Mark a point just at the top as seen on your screen, or you mark a point up there. You join points OA, OB, OC, and OD. Good. When you do that, you have formed a pyramid that has a base of a square. Now I have a little work here for you to do. Draw a pyramid whose base is a rectangle. Of course, we have learned how to draw rectangle in our previous class. So draw a pyramid whose base is a rectangle. You first draw the rectangle, locate a point up the rectangle, and join the point you've located to the 4 corners of the rectangle. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day, and bye.